Hello everyone, my name is Nina. I'm gonna sing a song. My song, I didn't call the name, but I'm gonna try my best. We going. Hey baby, you heard a light of it. My love is here. You hide the times of me. I play the games with you every night in the settled time. Wherever you should be the light, you came in here around. Yeah, yeah. When we talk through the door, I fly across the river. You hit my stress tonight that we totally forgot. I'm flying across the river. You coming back to top. Yeah, yeah. The time is fly the crows, and we should be done and coming back in peace. Baby, come around. What point time that we should always be the light. Thank you for listening. And one day I wanna came in London and meet One Direction because I'm biggest fan on the world, and I'm from Croatia. And they say they wanna came in Christian, but I don't know if they gonna come. But if they come, please, just please something. I need to meet them. I wanna be friends. I wanna be in them group. I wanted someday be singer in Dame group with Dame singer on that over tour, but this is dream. This is just dream, and thank you. I love you all in One Direction.